Hi. In previous class we discussed about kinetic molecular theory, gas postulates, kinetic molecular theory and postulates we discussed. Now in this class we are going to discuss kinetic molecular gas equation is nothing but kinetic gas equation. From kinetic gas equation, how deduce all gas laws one by one we are going to discuss. Okay, it is very important. So what is kinetic gas equation? You know first. So kinetic gas equation you have to know first. What is kinetic gas equation means? PV equal to 1 by 3 m n u square RMS is kinetic gas equation. So here P equal to pressure, V equal to volume. So m equal to mass of one gas molecule, and a small n equal to a number of molecules, u equal to RMS speed. RMS means root mean square speed. So these are the terms present in kinetic gas equation. So by using kinetic gas equation, he deduced all gas laws, which is Boyle's law, Charles' law, Graham's law and Dalton's law, like that. Okay, so here deduction of gas laws we are going to discuss. Deduction of gas laws. Okay, so what is the deduction of gas laws means? The first one, Boyle's law. Boyle's law we are going to deduce from kinetic gas equation. So what is Boyle's law? At constant temperature, PV equal to the volume of a given mass of a gas is inversely proportional to its pressure. Means we are going to show temperature equal to constant, PV equal to K. We are going to show. So kinetic gas equation, according to kinetic gas equation, PV equal to 1 by 3 m n u square RMS. Okay, the product of m into n equal to capital M I am taking. It is nothing but a molar mass. So here then PV equal to what happened? 1 by 3 m u square RMS. So PV equal to 1 by 3 mu square RMS. Now by dividing and multiplying with 2, both sides, left side only, right side only. So then PV equal to 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 mu square RMS. So we know kinetic energy equal to half m v square. In the place of u, in the place of v, here u is there, so both are velocities, so no problem. So pv equal to 2 by 3 k e. So according to kinetic molecular theory of gases, k e is directly proportional to, according to kinetic molecular theory, Ke is directly proportional to temperature. So this implies Ke equal to Kt. So in the place of Ke I am going to write Kt. Then Pv equal to 2 by 3 Kt. So here P, product of pressure, and V, 2 constant, 3 constant, K constant, temperature constant. Though in the place of all these constants I am going to write Pv equal to constant. Then Pv equal to 2 by 3 Kt. Then Pv equal to constant. Okay, it is Boyle's law, deduction of Boyle's law. This is Boyle's law. So here according to kinetic gas equation, Pv equal to 1 by 3rd mn u square. The product of mn, mass of the one molecule and number of molecules, is equal to, I am taking capital M, molar mass. Then Pv equal to 1 by 3 mu square RMS. By dividing and multiplying with 2 by 3 to 1 by 2, 2 cancel 1 by 3. Then it is half mu square, I am writing K, kinetic energy. Kinetic energy K equal to half mv square. So Pv equal to 2 by 3 Ke. So according to kinetic molecular theory of gases, Km means kinetic molecular theory of gases, K is directly proportional to T. Then K equal to Kt. In the place of Ke, if you write Kt, 2 constant, 3 constant, K constant, temperature also constant. So it is nothing but Pv equal to constant. Then Charles law. You are going to deduce Charles law. Okay. So what is the Charles law means? At constant pressure equal to constant. At constant pressure, V by T equal to K. Okay, you are going to prove V by T equal to K, or V equal to V is directly proportional to T. P is directly proportional to T, or V by T equal to constant, we are going to prove. So here kinetic gas equation I am taking. Kinetic gas equation equal to Pv equal to 1 by 3 m n u square RMS. Okay. Then same, Pv equal to small m small n equal to capital M. Small m into small n equal to capital M. Then Pv equal to what happened? 1 by 3 m u square RMS. Okay. Then same, by dividing and multiplying with 2. Then what happened? Pv equal to 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 m u square RMS. Okay, then Ke equal to 1 by 2 m v square. So PV equal to 2 by 3. In the place of half mv square I am writing Ke. So according to kinetic molecular theory, according to kinetic molecular theory of gases, Ke is directly proportional to T. That implies Ke equal to Kt. Then here I am writing PV equal to 2 by 3 Kt. So I don't want P. Then V equal to 2 by 3 P into Kt. So if you remove this proportionality, this equality, and 2 constant, 3 constant, pressure constant, and K also constant, then V is directly proportional to T. Okay, then V by T equal to constant, then V by T equal to constant. Okay, so this is Charles law. So this is the deduction of gas laws, Boyle's law and Charles law. We deduce it from kinetic gas equation. So kinetic gas equation deduced all gas laws. Kinetic gas equation deduced all gas laws, which is perfectly. So what is kinetic molecular theory of gases we discussed in previous class. So for the knowing of behavior of gases, so kinetic molecular theory of gases was proposed. Okay, so this is briefly about deduction of gas laws for Boyle's law and Charles law. These two laws are important for 4 marks. This one and that one is important for 4 marks. This one and this one is important for 4 marks. Next, Dalton's law. You are going to deduce Dalton's law, deduction of gas laws. Next one, Dalton's law. What is the Dalton's law? At constant volume and temperature, volume and temperature are constants. P total is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3. This is we are going to show. Okay, so here kinetic gas equation equal to PV that equal to 1 by 3 m n u square RMS. This is we are going to show. Okay, then here one gas contains pressure P1, volume no change V, number of mass of the molecules m1, number of molecules n1, and speed of the molecules is u1. Okay, so one gas is taken in a vessel which having one gas is taken in a vessel, pressure P1 pressure, volume V1, and m1 number of mass of the molecules, n1 number of molecules, u1 square, u1 is the speed of the molecules. Then according to kinetic gas equation, P1V equal to 1 by 3 m1 n1 u1 square. I want P1, then 1 by 3 m1 n1 u1 square by V. It is equation number 1. Okay, then this gas is replaced by another gas. So it is replaced by first gas is replaced by second gas. Okay, first gas is replaced by second gas. So which having pressure P2, volume V, mass of the molecules m1, mass of the one molecule is m2, number of molecules is n2, u2 is the speed of the molecules. Why I am not changing volume means volume is constant. Okay, and then according to kinetic gas equation, so then according to kinetic gas equation, see P2V equal to 1 by 3 m1 m2 n2 u2 square. So I want P2 equal to 1 by 3 m2 n2 u2 square by V. It is equation number 2. See, now both the gases taken in a same vessel. So two gases, both first and second gases are taken in a same vessel. Now first and second gases taken in a same vessel. So then what happened? Taken in a same vessel. So then P total is equal to, so P1, this is P1 and P2. So 1 by 3 m1 n1 u1 square by V plus 1 by 3 m2 n2 u2 square by V. Okay, in the place of this one I am writing P1, in the place of this one I am writing P2, then it is P total. Deduced or not? Okay, deduced. So P1, P total equal to P1 plus P2. If you take one more gas, P3, so then it is nothing but Dalton's law. Very important for 4 marks. Very important for 4 marks. Okay. Next we will discuss Graham's law. Graham's law. Deduction of Graham's law. Okay. Deduction of Graham's law. Then see how to deduce Graham's law means. First of all, you know what you are going to prove. At constant pressure and temperature, both are constant. The rate of diffusion of a gas R is inversely proportional to 1 by root of its density. This is you are going to show. Rate of diffusion of a gas R is inversely proportional to 1 by root D. So here kinetic gas equation I am taking. PV equal to 1 by 3 m n u square RMS. Okay. Then what happened? The product of m into n equal to capital M. Then PV equal to what happened? 1 by 3 m u square RMS. Okay. Then what happened? So I want U. I don't want U. So P is pressure, V is volume, M is molar mass, and U is rate of diffusion or speed, RMS speed. Then you have to bring U this side. U square equal to then what happened? 3PV by capital M under root. Then U equal to what happened? Under root 3PV by M. Okay. Then you have to know here a relation. Mass equal to volume into density. It is the relation you have to know. Okay. And then we want D. D. So D equal to what happened? M by V. But here V by M. So V by M equal to what happened? 1 by D. So this is equation 2 and it is equation 1. So equation 2 value substituting in equation 1. Equation 2 in equation 1. Then what happened? U equal to under root 3P by D. Okay. U equal to under root 3P by D. U equal to R equal to rate of diffusion. Rate of diffusion. Then R equal to, so here 3 is constant, P is constant. P constant in Graham's law. Then is directly inversely proportional to 1 by root D equal to, and these two constants I am removing. Then R is inversely proportional to 1 by root D. So Graham's law is deduced. Hence Graham's law is deduced from kinetic gas equation. Here hence Dalton's law is deduced. Okay. So this is a problematic part. So BPC students carefully listen and carefully practice. This is problematic part, or especially BPC students. So who are taking BPC due to fear of mathematics, so they are carefully how to practice. They should practice carefully. So this is very important. So this is nothing but Graham's law, very important for 4 marks. Okay, so this is the deduction of Dalton's law, this is the deduction of Graham's law. Okay, so this is we are going to show here shown, hence Graham's law is deduced. So this is briefly today's chemistry class. So what we discussed in this class means kinetic gas equation, then deduction of gas laws from kinetic gas equation, Boyle's law, Charles law, Dalton's law, Graham's law. Then tomorrow we are going to discuss kinetic energy, deduction of kinetic energy from kinetic gas equation we are going to discuss.